So I use a lot of free pallets, and really, is it worth your time to pick them up, drag them home, and break them down? I say yes. So the fastest way is to use a Sawzall or a reciprocating saw and just cut through the nails. Generally, you don't cut through any wood at all, or worst case, a little tiny bit. This leaves you with the long lengths that are generally, 3.5, 4 inches wide and over 3/4 inches thick in a lot of cases. A mix of pine or hardwood, depending on where your pallet was made and why it was originally made. The problem with that method is that it leaves the nails cut off inside these larger timbers, 2x4s, for real 2x4s, not dimensional 2x4s, which are obviously smaller. To get around that, another way is just use a circular saw and slice alongside the rails. So you get shorter pieces of timber, kind of like this. Obviously a bit longer. Those are cut-offs from a project, but from a pallet. And it leaves the nails like this, exposed and easy to pull out. So you can use a cat's paw, or if you're lucky and they're not ring shank nails, just a normal hammer, a claw hammer, to pull them out. And then you have this thicker lumber for projects. So depending on what you want to accomplish or what you want the wood for, depends on how you take the pallet apart. I generally just use the first method, as shown here, where I use the reciprocating saw. I slice off the long boards, and I save the thicker boards for projects where I don't need the full length of timber, so I can work around the nails that are left inside it.